Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use Pinterest and AI clipping to create new wallpapers on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Samsung's AI Select and Clip tool identifies objects, people, pets, and items in your photos, and it allows you to cut them out perfectly with one long press. So you can save these cutouts as stickers, combine them with Pinterest wallpapers to create aesthetic, artistic, or thematic phone backgrounds. So Pinterest gives you millions of high-quality images completely free. Combined with Samsung's clipping tool and Goodluck's Wonderland app, you can build stunning wallpapers in minutes. So here we'll go ahead and create a Spider-Man theme wallpaper. So first we'll go ahead and install Pinterest. Go ahead and install this on your phone. And now here you want to go ahead and find a wallpaper. So let's go ahead and find a city wallpaper. So here I've found this wallpaper. I'll go ahead and download it to my phone. Download image. Now next I want to go ahead and find Spider-Man. So Spider-Man taking a selfie or something. So let's just say, for example, this one here. So I want to go ahead and use this Spider-Man. However, I don't like the background. So I'll go ahead and download this to my phone as well. Now that's downloaded, I'll go press home, go to my gallery, and go ahead and view my pictures. So this is the one I want to use. And this is the Spider-Man which I want to get. So using the clipping feature on your Samsung Galaxy device, go ahead and load that picture. Go ahead and long press on this. This will now let you clip that image. Now I can go ahead and save this as an image. However, I'll just go ahead and edit it right here. So I'll go ahead and take it to this new wallpaper, drop it here. I'll go ahead and increase the size. And then I'll go ahead and place it wherever I like. Now I'll go ahead and press save. And now that wallpaper has been created. So now I can go ahead and set this as my wallpaper for my Samsung Galaxy device. I'll press done. And as you can see, this is a completely unique wallpaper which I've just created for my Samsung Galaxy device. So this gives you infinite wallpaper design possibility. It makes your phone look unique and hyper-personalized. No more generic wallpapers. This is great for matching themes, home screen setups, and color palettes. Fun and creative, perfect for fans of customization. So you can create aesthetic collages, AI-style wallpapers, or character wallpapers, minimal designs, or anime styles. So there you go, guys. That is how to use Pinterest plus AI clipping to create new wallpapers on your Samsung Galaxy device.